Just finished my install of the MXT400 Midland Micro Mobile. I'll walk you through the install. And there she is. Yep, hidden in the center console. Power's up. 10-4 good, buddy. I can close it up and still have the mic out, or when not using, it's fully hidden away. Jumping to the other side, wires go down underneath the little mat here. I had pulled this panel off here, pulled this panel off to access underneath, and I ran the wires behind. There, underneath, you see the red and black wire. They come across, ground into the factory ground here, and ran the power up to the fuse box. There are these spade connectors that I just attached to there to give it power. The antenna goes under the seat here. There's excess wiring underneath. I run it, excuse me, open the other door. I run it down this side channel here, underneath the little storage thing, had to take that out. And let's go underneath the car and pop. So I punched through the floor of the back portion of the extra cab through this little kind of a, looks like that will pop out for a big opening, but I just drilled a hole through the center, put a rubber grommet in. I am going to probably put some silicone around it to waterproof it, but right now I just put some tape because I think I may have some future wires I'm going to run back. I've run it along the frame. I want to put some wireloop to clean it up a little bit more, but hopefully you can follow it. There it is along the frame there. Comes across to the back of the frame to a mounting point. And then I came up through this section in the bed. There's a grommet in the top that accesses this hole down here. This was a challenge as I used both fish tape top and bottom. I pushed from the bottom, pulled from the top, but I needed some rigidity to push up on it to get it by a challenging spot up there. And let's go to the top. There's the grommet I was talking about in the bed. So here's the back of the cab. So it's just on the side near the front. That's the plastic grommet. I slid it in the bottom there and then created a little hole so the wire comes through smoothly, but I can put the grommet back. I wire loomed it here. I'm gonna get some supports and mount that to the side. Then I used the Midland antenna bracket. I cut it because it was a lot longer and I just needed it on this short section, but it worked out perfect. Let me give you a view of the final antenna shot in a second. Here's a shot from the outside. Again, I'm gonna get some supports and secure it to the side here. There's the antenna mount and then the antenna. The rooftop tent folds out the other side, so there shouldn't be any interference. There's room here to unzip the rooftop tent, so I've got access there as well. Just can't put a side shade structure on this side. But super happy with how it turned out. Can't see it because it's in the center console in the truck, and I think it's a cool look on the back of the truck here. It came out super clean. It's not all these electronics in my cab. I have it hidden for only when I'm using it. And then the wiring went nicely together, tapping into the fuse box here, and it's all hidden as well. So that's it. Hope that helped. If you have a similar truck, this is a 2021 GMC Sierra AT4.